Hey guys, it's Aidette. I am back with another try-on haul. So today we are featuring MYMUMMADEIT. I have been working with them for a very long time. This is not sponsored either. They just decided to send me out some clothes. If you guys are into very minimalistic pieces and very modern pieces, then this is the place for you guys to shop. MYMUMMADEIT doesn't have any pieces that I see anywhere else. This is definitely not something that you can get at Forever 21. They're simple yet very different pieces. So I will show you guys in a second. You guys will kind of get a little taste of their aesthetic and style. So I'm just gonna hop right in and I'm gonna show you guys the accessories first. So the first two things that I picked up is this really huge fluffy white bag. I don't know where I would wear this. I would probably wear this maybe like in New York. I'll just like stuff all of my necessities in here. If you guys have any styling tips for this fluffy bag, then let me know. It is actually like the whole size of my torso, so I don't really know like how I would go about this. And then I have been having my eyes on this hat right here for a long time, for months, I'm telling you guys. So it's this black little fuzzy hat. They have this in ivory as well, just the same color as the bag that I showed you guys. So this is gonna be super cute for the upcoming cold season. Hopefully it gets cold like October. I really want this fall to actually be somewhat cold because we know that in California it's hot up until like December, then it gets cold. Also, I know my makeup's really crazy today and so is my hair. It was down earlier. It was really hot, so I put it up and then it kind of like did this thing and I was like, you know what, it works. And my makeup's really crazy because I did like a SpongeBob Patrick inspired type of look with their collection. And now let's move on to the next pieces. And most of these pieces here are more of like a fall vibe. They're all very warm, cozy, and long sleeved. So I'm getting prepared, girl. This piece is really cool. I haven't seen anything like it. It's a very fitted like puffer jacket, except it doesn't have puffing to it. It has like this reflective material to it, but it's black. I've never seen a reflective black, so this is really cool. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can style this, let me know. All right, and here we have this like bluish gray dress. It says that it's gray, but it's kind of like a little tint of blue in this gray, which makes it super pretty and different. It's this turtleneck long sleeve ribbed dress. I've had something similar like this from them in the past, but it was a two-piece. You guys can find that two-piece on their website. It's also on my Instagram. So this is what this dress looks like. You got the turtleneck, you got the zipper for the detail, it cinches in the middle, and then you have your little slit. And then next we have a slip dress. So this can be worn in several different ways. You can wear it with heels, boots, anything you want, sneakers even. That's what I really like about dresses, like slip dresses especially, because they're so casual, but like at the same time you can make them a lot more fancy. It's an ivory satin feel, and then on the outlining it has navy blue, and then it has the little patch in the middle that says MYMUMMADEIT. All of their clothes says MYMUMMADEIT, which is very cute touch. Now these next ones I had to pick up. They are a bit too big. They are very oversized on me, but they still do fit because they're so cinched at the top. So these are in a size large, and the rest of them, I believe I got them in a medium small, not sure, but these are definitely in a large. But the color, guys, can we just talk about the color? It has this blocked texture all on the entire pant, so that's super cute. And then of course it has the MYMUMMADEIT patch. I do know that MYMUMMADEIT sometimes does run a little bit smaller, and I am not sure if I can fit into this because it is pretty stiff material. Not too sure if it's gonna fit, but it's still very cute. As you guys can see, there's not much movement to it, so do be careful with that. This is not twerk approved. This is more of a piece that's for looks and to look cute in. So on the inside it is very well lined. In the inside it does have like this suede feeling material. So I was planning on wearing that skirt with this top potentially. We'll see. This is kind of like corduroy suede. I got this in a small. I'm hoping that this fits too because it looks tiny. Then I got this gray quilted set here. It's a top and some shorts. This is the top here. It just has the same material as the pink pants that I showed you guys earlier, and it's cinched at the bottom. And then for the shorts, they are more like a boy short. This is probably something that I would wear like lounging around the house when I want to be cute, like cuddled up with my boo. And next I have another set. So I got this gray comfy sweater, and I love these crop sweaters because I wear them all the time. I wear it for errands, I wear it when I'm going to sleep, I wear it when I'm going on an airplane. It literally goes for anything. And then I really like how it scrunches at the bottom just so it gives you a little bit of shape instead of just making it look like a box. And then this is definitely going to keep you cozy because the inside is like very well lined. And then I also picked up the matching joggers, of course. I love myself some joggers, especially when they're really nice juicy quality like these. I have a lot of MYMUMMADEIT pieces, guys. This is what the joggers look like. They have the two zippers on the side, which is quite fancy for some joggers, some zipper pockets. Then I have this other set. This is a corduroy like denim colored set, which is everything. This is probably my favorite thing that I picked up from this entire line. Super cute. This is super oversized. Like, how cute would this be if you just wore it with like super high thigh high boots, super cute, and then your hair up in a slick ponytail, face beat, some black liner. Juicy. I love myself some pleated skirts, but I have never seen a set like this before, so of course I was like gagging over it. And now this is the same exact set that I showed you guys in gray and pink. So this is just in the ivory color, just as my mom made it. So the same shaping that I showed you guys earlier, and then the same joggers. So now for the cozy jackets, I have two things to show you guys, but in both different colors. So I got both of these items in black and white, so I'm gonna show you the last four. So here I have this white jacket, and it's super fuzzy, super nice and cozy, and it doesn't zip all the way, which is what I really like in this. It just goes halfway. I've never really had jackets like that, so I thought that that was very cute. And then of course I picked up the black version. Very cute. And then I got these two super luxurious robes. I got them in black and white as well. Super long and cozy. This is kind of giving me like Kali Uchis vibes. I picked this up before Kali Uchis posted her picture on Instagram. And then of course I also picked up the black robe. Alright guys, so that is the end of my haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this try on, and if you guys would like for me to review other companies, then let me know in the comments down below what companies you guys want me to review. I really want to review smaller companies, like companies that are on the rise. I kind of want to see how their quality is, show you guys some try-ons, tell you guys how I feel about the quality. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.